Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go clean the Jeep and go look at a property. Okay, let's go be great. Wait, how could I forget you? The reason I gotta go get the Jeep right now is because yesterday it was out with a guest and they said that it didn't start twice, so it's something going on with the battery. Throwing it real quick because it gotta go back out later this afternoon, so I gotta get it cleaned up and ready to go. The guest that rented the car, she wanted a refund, but I talked to her and I told her that I could give her a partial refund. I'm not going to give her a full refund because she did keep the car the whole time. It just had to get jump start twice. So after I clear the car, I'm gonna handle all that and do all that. I just had the brightest idea. I think I've had in a long time. Instead of just going to buy a battery, why don't I go get this one tested first to make sure that it's not another issue. It gotta be on? That's all right. Okay, so it is the battery?
Yeah, double check with my man.
Okay. I told you. Just gonna go check with this manager to make sure. Now meanwhile, I gotta re-jump it. I don't know why I just put the hood out. That's what it was?
Yeah, most likely, but our battery meter doesn't properly read the alternator and all the other stuff unless the battery has the car running.
Right.
So in order to properly scan everything, you probably need a new battery first.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I got a battery for it, but I'm gonna change the battery and then see. But I think the alternator is good because it's usually when the alternator is the problem, it'll shut off. It'll because the battery can't drive it, but like a few miles. Right. Without the alternator. So I don't think it's the alternator because I've been driving it a little bit. I've been driving it for a little bit of time and it ain't cut off. It ain't died until when I cut it off. As soon as I cut it off, it was dead again.
Okay, so you say you have another battery?
Yeah.
All right, so if you put the other battery in, just come back and I'll get it again, no problem.
Okay, man, I appreciate it. Thank you.
You already know, you're welcome.
Thank you, man.
Have a great day.
You too. That guy was really nice. He was really nice, but yes, I'm fixing to take this car back. I'm just gonna go back and park this car. It doesn't go out until tomorrow also. I thought it'd go back out today, but somebody picks it up on Friday, so I got time to go back after I change the battery to go wash it and whatever, but I'm gonna be on a little mission today. And I didn't put my comb back. Well, but that was gonna be it for this video. I gotta go home. I gotta go do some work. We did find out the issue with the battery on the TURO car. I just gotta go purchase a battery later this evening, but I gotta go attend to some closings. So I see you on the other side. Peace. Oh, I forgot. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so now. And also hit that bell notification so that you are notified when I drop more videos like this. Do it. Just hit the button. It's right there. Hit the button.